Hello guys, today we'll continue creating this artwork inspired by the celebration of Kwanzaa and the book Together for Kwanzaa by Joanda G. Forth. Remember that Kwanzaa is an African American celebration of life that is celebrated from the 26th of December to the 1st of January. So be sure to check out our emoji library to learn more about Kwanzaa and about other celebrations all over the world during winter time. What is your celebration during winter time? Tell me about it next time you see me. And as always, remember to be respectful and kind to people from different cultures. What we are going to need today is a marker, a black marker, and you are going to actually outline all of your designs that you have created last time on the Kwanzaa cloth. And the cloth that we are trying to create today and the patterns are inspired actually by weavings from Africa, and the cloth is used whenever people celebrate Kwanzaa. A lot of them get to wear beautiful traditional clothing, so that's why we are being inspired by those beautiful weaved clothes, because they are beautiful works of art that people wear during this celebration. So let's go ahead and get started with our tracing. Be sure to be very gentle and to take your time tracing all of the lines that you have created. And after you're done, let's come back and see what it looks like in the end. And now guys, this is what it should look like right now. After you have done this, I will go ahead and urge you to start on your coloring. And the colors that usually are used during Kwanzaa are yellows, orange, black, green, and red. So we are going to be using these colors to decorate our work of art. So go ahead and think of the pattern that you want to use for today. The pattern that I am going to be working on are going to be my triangles. What about you? What kind of pattern did you create? Think about the pattern that you created and think about the colors that you are going to choose for that pattern. I am going to go ahead and color what I think looks best for my design, but think about what would look best on yours. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, now one thing that I want you to notice whenever I am actually coloring in my design is that I am trying to use the marker sideways. That way it covers more ground when I am coloring, just like this. See how I am using it sideways and making lines? And the closer the lines are, the better it looks. So make sure that you are coloring on the side of your marker, that way it covers more ground. Alright friends, so now I am done with my design for today. What about you at home? What kind of design did you create? Now remember that we are using patterns in art just like you use patterns in math. Can you think of patterns that you have used in math? Well, if in your class you're using choral counting, that is actually a pattern. So be sure to always think in patterns when you're thinking about math, because math has a lot of patterns that you actually can use. So I hope that you have a lot of fun and that you keep celebrating different cultures from around the world. And as always, be sure to be kind and respectful to people from all